In this video, I'm going to show you how you can allow display of mature content on your Substack account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you wish to see all manner of content, among them explicit content on your Substack account, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now, to do this, go ahead and tap on your profile icon once you are logged in, and then go down to settings. Under settings, you should see privacy and safety. Go ahead and tap on this option. Then scroll down and you should see filter explicit content. You're told with this option enabled, then explicit images and publication will automatically be hidden. So with the current status, mature content can't be displayed on my account. However, if you wish to allow this, then you need to disable this option. And from now henceforth, now your account will display even mature content on your Substack account. So that's how you can enable display of mature content on your Substack account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.